very steady in their third pairing. It comes all the way back. Ron Hainsey at the point. Wedged by Malone. Blocked in front by Tom Gilbert. Jay McClement. Chris Terry. Brad Malone. Shut down by Mike Condon. He's got it. Christian Thomas in back of the goal. Looking for Carr. Tied up by Hanifin. Trap chance for Carr. He scores! In his first NHL game, Daniel Carr gets the ball rolling for the Montreal Canadiens.
Carr was born. He was born in Sherwood Park, Alberta, which of course is where Cam Ward was born. And Cam Ward.
Lindholm in again. His shot blocker down. Panning on the rebound was Eric Stahl. Stick thwarted that time by Jeff Petrie, and it comes out.
Very well-executed play, starting with Slavin stepping up in the neutral zone shooting.
Another chance, shut down, a dandy. In control, Noah Hanifin moves it along. Victor Rask getting to it is Eric Stahl. Eric sets up shop. Rask this way. Condon said no on Justin Falk.
Hunger there to get that puck, maybe take it to the front of the net himself.
Jordan Stahl out of the corner. Subban on him. Stahl. Skinner. He scores! What a goal by Jeff Skinner. And the Hurricanes have tied it.
And Jordan Stahl posted up and they gain entry on sides. Then Jordan goes to become a passing outlet. Use it as his big body. Excellent work starting with the entry.
He gets to it. He's broken up by Falk. It's left there. Subban sweeps across for Markov. He'll delay, turn it to the outside. Andre Markov, Tomas Plekanec, kicked out by Ward.
Wards have shaken. Kill this off and tell him to keep playing with that physical end.
Third power play for the Canadiens. Subban hammers one, picked off by Cam Ward. Slavin steps in, all the way across, forced wide by Nespreshil. Condon down and out, and it goes off the outside of the cage. Eric Stahl on the doorstep. And the Canadiens survive. Here they come. Dale Weiss, his shot swallowed by Ward.
Of course, with Jacob Slavin, he can play all facets of the game. He said he plays double the minutes in the AHL, so there are short, impactful shifts down here, up here in the NHL.
A chance and a goal. Sven Andrighetto parked out in front.
Here's Andrighetto right here. This has been the line that Michel Therrien has been most pleased with. He says Lars Eller's playing the best now, and those are the types of plays Montreal makes.
Snapped along by Ron Hainsey, blocked by Yemelin, backhand, shovel shut down, they score! On the rebound opportunity, Joakim Nordstrom, his first goal as a Hurricane.
Watch the right side of your screen. Who goes in and wins the board battle with contact? Nordstrom. That forces Montreal to get rid of the puck earlier than...
Mike Condon turns it over. Brock McGinn. His shot fought off by Condon. The rebound for Eric. Butler in the crease. They score! Eric Stahl never gave up. Brock McGinn got the turnover.
I just think the key element here is the puck is in the crease. First of all, it looks like Condon engages Stahl in that initial contact. The only thing would be...
After video review is determined there was goalie interference, no goal on the play.
Here.
Luciano Di Giuseppe. Now it goes deep out in front. Condon shuts the door. Excellent scoring chance, and on cue, it was Phil Di Giuseppe. The point, Noah Hanifin holding onto it. Subban out of the box. Lindholm with a shot, stopped by Condon. The rebound stopped, and they send to the cross. Eric Stahl off the medal. And again, the Hurricanes have lost their last three, aching for a win tonight. Lyles, one-timer, Pesce denied by Condon. They score! Jeff Skinner gets to the loose change.
Off circle, goes to the front of the net. Pesce gets himself in a very good shooting position, shoots to an area where Jeff Skinner can at least have a chance.
Markov straight away, inside Plekanec. He'll dangle, Markov again. Now Subban looking for Plekanec out in front. They whack at it. Ford says no. Through the crease and out. Lyles has it. 4 seconds left. They